Hey, fight fans! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of sweaty grapples, epic kicks, and the sweet science of getting punched in the face. It's time to break down the key differences between MMA, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, BJJ, and Muay Thai. With a twist of humor, because getting choked out is no joke, but it kinda is. First up, mixed martial arts, or as I like to call it, the all-you-can-fight buffet. Imagine going to a restaurant, but instead of choosing between pasta, sushi, or a burger, you say, "I'll take all of it." That's MMA. You can punch, kick, grapple, and occasionally look like you're breakdancing. Badly. In MMA, you've got a bit of everything. Boxing from the fists, Muay Thai from the legs,
strikes at the moment.
And BJJ for when you realize standing up is overrated and you just want to cuddle on the floor. But be warned, these cuddles end in pain. It's the ultimate playground for fighters who can't decide what martial art they love most. It's like trying to choose between pizza and tacos. Why not have both? But remember, in MMA, just when you think you're about to land that killer punch, the other guy will hug you like it's prom night and suddenly, you're horizontal. Next up, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, or BJJ, where fighters go, "You know what? Standing is overrated. Let's just roll around like we're competing for who's the best blanket burrito." BJJ is like a human chess game, but instead of saying checkmate, you whisper, "Tap out, buddy," or "You're about to nap out." It's perfect for those who are really into close contact.
Are you sure about that?
If you've ever been stuck in a crowded elevator, you're halfway there. People think BJJ is all about getting choked, but it's not just that. There are arm bars, leg locks, and triangles. It's basically a puzzle, and the solution is your opponent giving up all hope and their dignity in about 5 different languages. In a BJJ match, if you see someone on the ground, don't assume they've given up. No, that's where they want you. They're like spiders, waiting for you to step into their web. Except this web comes with arm locks, and it's not fun. And finally, Muay Thai, aka the art of 8 limbs. Now, I know what you're thinking. 8 limbs? I only have 4, unless my math teacher was wrong? No, you're not a mutant. Muay Thai just includes the use of fists, elbows, knees, and shins. Because why punch someone when you can also elbow them in the face? Muay Thai fighters are basically like, what if I weaponized my entire body? In Muay Thai, even your shins become a deadly weapon, which is great if you're playing soccer but terrifying if you're standing in front of them. If you've ever stubbed your toe and thought that was painful, just imagine someone using their shin as a baseball bat to your legs. Good luck walking home after that one. Muay Thai is for those who think punches are overrated and prefer throwing knees and elbows like they're handing out free samples. It's brutal, it's fast, and it's basically what would happen if your entire body could punch. So, to sum it up, here's the difference. MMA is like a martial arts potluck. Bring everything, including the kitchen sink. BJJ is for those who believe fighting should be done lying down, rolling, and occasionally squeezing people like toothpaste. Muay Thai is where you go when you think, why stop at fists? Let's throw in some elbows, knees, and shins for good measure. Which one's for you? Well, if you like getting up close and personal, maybe BJJ is your jam. If you want to feel like a Swiss Army knife, Muay Thai is your thing. And if you can't decide, hey, just mix them all up like MMA. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you liked this video, punch that like button. Not literally, save that for the gym. Click the subscribe button and elbow the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. And remember, whether you're rolling, punching, or kicking, keep fighting.